Hi everyone, today I am going to share with you some best and beautiful teachings of Nietzsche. Friedrich Nietzsche was an influential German philosopher, widely known for his unconventional ideas about life. His insights are significant for everybody, but he was misunderstood by all his contemporaries. That is the usual fate of every genius. His writings are prophetic, condensed. You can make a whole philosophy from one paragraph. Let us understand and unfold the beautiful teachings of Nietzsche. Convictions are more dangerous foes of truth than lies. धारणाएं असत्य की तुलना में अधिक खतरनाक होती। कन्वेंशंस, परंपराएं, means firmly held beliefs are more harmful. It is easy to give up lies, but पारंपरिक सत्यों से निजात पाना बेहद मुश्किल होता है। Keeping firm opinion about something means that you are not willing to change. किंतु परिवर्तन संसार का नियम है। The snake which can't cast its skin has to die. As well, the mind which are prevented from changing their opinions, they cease to be mind. समय के भाव के संग संग जो नहीं बहते, वे हमेशा के लिए बह जाते। रूढ़ियों परंपराओं की जंग लगी बेड़ियों से अपना आप मुक्त करें। चेंज योरसेल्फ, योर ओपिनियंस इन अकॉर्डेंस टू टाइम। देयर आर नो फैक्ट्स, ओनली इंटरप्रिटेशंस। ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन योर ओन व्यू पॉइंट। देयर इज no need to know the big truth of life, but you need to know the truth that applies to you. There is nothing like the absolute truth. पानी का गिलास आधा खाली है या आधा भरा, ये आपका अपना नजरिया है. Every statement is an interpretation of the one who makes it. भूखे को चांद में नजर आती हैं रोटियां और महबूब को अपनी प्रेयसी. सबकी अपनी अपनी धारणा, पूर्ण सत्य तो कुछ भी नहीं. All things are subject to interpretation. किस समय कौन सी व्याख्या मान्य होती is a function of power, not truth. You have your own way, I have my way. As for the right way, the correct way, and the only way, it does not exist. There is no specified golden way to success. Something may work for you, but not for me. हर कोई स्वयं में अद्वितीय है, फिर एक ही रास्ते पर चलकर मंजिल को नहीं पाया जा सकता. Birds can fly, fishes can swim. बुद्ध ने ध्यान में परमात्मा को पाया, नानक ने गा गा कर पाया. Absolute is nothing. Trust your inner abilities. अपने भीतर के दियों से ही केवल बाहर का तिमिर जरा जा सकता. No one can construct for you the bridge upon which you can cross the stream of life. No one but you yourself. सबको अपना जीवन स्वयं ही निर्मित करना होता, कोई दूसरा तुम्हारा कल्याण न कर सकेगा. Everyone is unique, a marvelous piece of diversity in unity. विविधता में एकता. अपनी शक्तियों सामर्थ्य के अनुसार अपनी राह को हमें खुद ही खोजना होगा. There is no magic pill of success. You need to build your own path by making mistakes and then relying on your own intuitions. There is nothing exactly like principle of evolution of Darwin. अपने भीतर का विकास एक व्यक्तिगत अनुभव है, प्रक्रिया है. No price is too high to pay for the privilege of owning yourself. आपसे अधिक मूल्यवान तो कुछ भी नहीं. Know the value of your soul. Do what you always wanted to do, because you live only once. Life without music will be a mistake. God has given us music so that it can lead us upwards. Music unites all qualities. सारे स्वर मिलकर एक ही तरंग, एक ही लय, एक ही इशारा करते हैं. It can exalt, elate us, divert us, cheer us up, or break the hardest of heart with softest of its melancholy tones. Music is the key that opens the door to all human emotions. A taste of music is inevitable. That is why we Indians have called the divine Shabad Omkar, the soundless sound. Everything is created out of sound. So, potential of music lies inside each of us. सीखने योग्य यदि जीवन में कुछ है तो संगीत का बोध, संगीत का भाव, स्वरों के बीच बहती हुई समरसता. पहचानने वाला कुछ है तो एक स्वर से दूसरे स्वर को जोड़ने वाला वह अदृश्य सेतु. And those who were seen dancing were thought to be insane by those who could not hear the music. Means, because you don't hear the music does not mean it does not exist. जिस चीज़ का आपको पता नहीं तो इसका मतलब यह तो नहीं कि वह चीज़ होती ही नहीं. In life, some people will love your work and your creativity, and others may hate it. Just because some can't see your light does not mean you should stop shining. You need not to have get approvals from others. तुम यहाँ किसी के प्रशंसा पत्र एकत्र करने को पैदा नहीं हुए. औरों को क्या दिखता, क्या लगता, इससे जीवन नहीं चलता. You should take your own way. You should live your own passions without even thinking that what others think for you. सबका अपना सत्य होता, किसी को कुछ साबित करने की जरा जरूरत नहीं. Thank you. That is all for today.